Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to show you how you can use vacuum cleaner at a gas station. So I've come to gas station, this Shell gas station, and I'm going to use it and I'm going to show you. So very first thing is you need to park at the designated places where the vacuum cleaners are. Right now you see I have parked. You can use cash and you can also use card, but I'm going to use like coins, $3. So one toonie and one loony, and then I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you that once I go out. So you see there's a box here. So here I'm gonna put, and then this machine is gonna start. Okay, so now it's detecting. So now I have 10 minutes and I'm gonna do vacuum. Definitely my car is not in good shape when so that's why I had to do vacuum. Yeah, the suction is really high, so make sure you plan in advance and remove any object that may hinder the movement of your vacuum cleaner, and then you do it. So guys, it is done. I did it, and after 10 minutes this got over. Now if I want to use another cycle, I have to put $3 more. That I'm not gonna do. Already my car is super clean at this moment, hopefully, and I put things back, and now I'm moving. So that's how simple it is, guys. It's a whole automated process. You don't need anyone's assistance. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.